Alright guys, we got something going on down here. Hang on. I forgot. I had my uniform shirt on. They don't need to know my company and my name, although they do know my name. All right, let's go see what's going on, why they got some blue lights going. Never know what it is. I saw a fire truck. Might be an accident. They got the road blocked up. Looks like they might clear out. See what's going on down here. You got fire trucks. Might have been a fire. You got the road blocked. Might have been a fire alarm went off. These are the real heroes here. Yeah, they're done, whatever it was. Might have been a fire alarm. They're gonna back them out of there. Watch them back it up. They gotta back all the way up to the light. So there was a fire alarm went off. Oh, I thought that they would have to back up all the way to the light because they're not supposed to go across the tracks. But they're an emergency vehicle, so I guess they are allowed to. They're out of here. These guys will be out of here. And then they'll open up the road. Down here at Main Street and Center. Main Street and Center. Oh, maybe he just turned around. Yeah, they're gonna cut out. You got unit 5261. And then 1865. He's got one of those gray shirts on, so he's just a PD helper. And they are out of here. Let's go see if we can't get into something else. Spitting Cobra. Out here on Main Street. Keeping it real.